Okay, please.
Hello everybody, this is Jesse Peppy Park. This is day 6 of our wonderful October 2012 tour to Ghana, West Africa, and we're getting ready to depart the beautiful Afrikiko Resort where you can see Lake Volta in the background. And I have with me two beautiful women who have been keeping us so stimulated and spiritually enlightened on the trip. And this is Miss Thelma and Miss Laverne. So can you just, Laverne, tell us a little bit about you. I know you were coming from Liberia not so long. So tell us a little bit about the project you did in Liberia and where you reside in the States.
Yes. Well, Laverne Baker Hotep is my name. Peace. I come from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I left Pittsburgh for Liberia, West Africa to do some work with women there who were experiencing the trauma after the aftermath of the Civil War. And so these women who were powerful in the work that they were doing actually to end the war asked for victim advocacy training so that they could help other women do work that needed to be done there around sexual violence. And so I had the splendid opportunity for my first trip to West Africa to be one where I could be a contribution. And that is exactly how I wanted to come to Africa for the first time. I was blessed. And now here I am in Ghana, West Africa, where I've always wanted to come. And so this has been a tremendous blessing to be able to be on this journey, particularly with this group with whom I am sharing this work. I do a radio program in Pittsburgh called Well Woman Radio Retreat that's geared to physical, emotional, and spiritual health of women and our loved ones and families. And that is heard around the world through the internet. So I am ecstatic about being here. And I just want to tell you folks out there that you got to come to Africa by way of Africa for the Africans.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. And you're so multifaceted. You were there, you were playing the drums, you were singing, you're telling stories. You're just like a Renaissance woman. And then we have another Renaissance woman here who I could not believe is the elder in the group. This is unbelievable. Beautiful Thelma, and you came here with your daughter. Tell us about the decision to come to Africa with your daughter.
Well,
It's okay.
My name is Thelma Parker, and I am originally from Trinidad, but I left Trinidad and migrated to America for almost 40 years. And my daughter, it was my birthday, and my daughter decided to give me a surprise birthday gift.
Wow.
And when she told me that she gave me a choice to go to either Europe or Africa, I say Africa, of course.
Of course.
Because I've heard so many beautiful things about Africa, and I would have really liked to see Africa before I really depart from this world. And thank God I got the privilege of coming especially to Ghana, and what I've seen, it changed me completely. Body, mind, soul, and spirit. I really feel comfortable and at home here, and I thank my daughter so much, and I thank the organizers for having this trip, and I really appreciate it. And I love Africa. I love the company. I mean, I love the food, especially, and the scenery. It's so relaxing and comfortable. At night, I sleep like a baby. I had no fear of nothing. I was really relaxed and comfortable. And I thank everybody on behalf of myself and my daughter and the workers. They were so genuinely polite. You know, I was so happy to be here. And I thank everybody from the bottom of my heart.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Thanks
and you know,
again.
you talk about the food.
Yes.
And we've all been, it's like we just cannot stop eating. The food is so good, but you know, we don't feel stuffed like, you know, when you eat food in other places, you feel like uncomfortable.
Right.
The food is to die for. And one of the things that you ladies do beautifully is you sing. And you have been blessing people left, right, and center. I heard that you had church up in here yesterday. Okay, and so we want you to share with the people who are watching your beautiful voice. I present to you Laverne and Thelma.
And before we do only that, I want to say, this is what is so awesome about this, is that my mother has passed away, and my mother's name was Thelma. And I said that I was going to bring my mother on this trip with me. I brought with me a photograph of my mother, but on the first night that I was here, this lady walked up to me and said, "Hello, sweetheart. My name is Thelma." And so it affirmed that my mother has been indeed with me. My mother was a singer as well. And so this is a tremendously spiritual something that has occurred here on this trip. So we're going to sing a little bit of Summertime,
And the living is easy. Fish are jumping, and the cotton is high. Daddy is rich, and mama's good looking. So hush, pretty baby, don't you cry. One of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing. Then you spread your wings and you take to the sky. Until that morning, there is nothing can harm you. With mommy and daddy